Hello, I hope you're keeping safe. In previous episode of AdLife Tips, we have spoken about healthy eating and keeping healthy weight as well as staying away from diseases. Sometimes we wonder, despite of doing everything right, we are plagued with problems. So today I'm going to talk about this simple problem, which is acidity. हम अक्सर लोगों को ये कहते हुए सुनते हैं, मैं एसिडिटी से परेशान हूँ. बहुत सारे लोग सुबह एसिडिटी की पिल खाकर ही अपने दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं. They don't think this is a problem. Probably they have learned to live with it. But less they know that it harms. एसिडिटी से बहुत सारे हार्म्स हैं. उनमें कुछ ये हैं कि आप हार्ट प्रॉब्लम आपकी बढ़ सकती है. न्यूट्रिएंट की एब्जॉर्प्शन कम होगी तो वीकनेस आ सकता है. इसके अलावा कैल्शियम बॉडी से लीच आउट हो सकता है. एसिडिटी हमें बहुत तरीक़ों से परेशान कर सकती है, जैसे सीने में जलन, पेट में जलन, खट्टी डकारें आना, सर दर्द, बेचैनी होना. इट फील्स टेरेबल. सो हियर वी आर विथ 4 नुस्खास टू कॉम्बैट एसिडिटी. पहला नुस्खा है आंवला. आंवला रिड्यूसेस स्टमक एसिड. It heals the lining of stomach as well as esophagus. So थोड़ा जैसे 1 tablespoon of amla juice mixed with mishri or honey in the morning is really soothing, as amla soothes the burning sensation in the stomach. दूसरा नुस्खा है banana. Banana is a natural antacid. B6 in the banana fortifies esophagus. It is also a prebiotic, which is food to probiotics. Make sure you use ripe banana. Have it first thing in the morning or as an evening snack. If you're suffering from severe acidity, try overripe banana. It works instantly. तीसरा नुस्खा है मोटा सौंफ और धागे वाली मिश्री. मोटा सौंफ has digestive properties. Mota saunf mixed with dhage wali mishri works as mouth freshener. It works very well for acidity. You can have it post meal twice a day. You can brew it as fennel tea and have it in the morning. Don't overcook this. Just boil water, take it off gas, put these 2 things, let it simmer for some time off the gas and strain and have it first thing in the morning. It works for acidity. चौथा नुस्खा लौंग. Chewing long is an Ayurvedic remedy. It has helped a lot of people. Long stimulates saliva production, it aids digestion, and it improves peristaltic movement in the body. When you have acidity, severe acidity, try chewing 2-3 longs. It will give you instant relief. Make sure आप उसका फूल हटा दें, क्योंकि उसका फूल बहुत गर्म होता है. So these are our 4 nuskhas. Remember, it will not work if you are stressed. So stay away from stress. Do let us know if you like our nuskhas. Do share your nuskhas. We'll be happy to share with our audience. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.